Sa bawat huni ng ibon, ihip ng hangin pagkat mahal kita. Wala nang ninanais kundi makapiling ka, makasama ka sa bawat araw, bawat gabi. Wala nang hiwalayan, magkayakap sa bawat sandali. Magkayakap sa bawat sandali. Giliw, naririnig mo ba ang damdaming kong ito? Di na mapigil ang pagnanasa, umaapaw pa rin ang laman ng puso ko. Pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y walang hangganan, walang katapusan, wala nang hiwalayan, nag-ibigan sa bawat sandali. Nag-ibigan sa bawat sandali. Oh, naririnig mo ba? Naririnig mo ba? Nadarama mo ba? Nadarama mo ba? Iliw, nasa sa isip ka sa bawat buhos ng ulan. Higang na puso ko'y nauuhaw sa'yo. Wala nang ninanais kundi makapiling ka, makasama ka sa bawat araw, bawat gabi. Wala nang hiwalayan, magkayakap sa bawat sandali. Magkayakap sa bawat sandali. Magkayakap sa bawat sandali.
Wish Concert on Wish 107.5.
Yes, sir! Track entitled Giliw, penned by Mr. Jim Paredes. Sabi nga niya, pinakamalambing na nasulat niyang kanta. And yes, Apple Hiking Society still live and direct from on board the iconic Wish 107.5 bus. Tama no, dami makaka-relate doon, Tito Jim, yung maaalala mo siya sa kahit saang bagay. Kahit sa gravy refill station ng restaurant, maaalala mo siya habang nagre-refill ka ng gravy mo, gano'n.
Sa bawat buhos ng ulan.
Tama, bawat patak. And speaking of pumapatak na naman ng ulan, millions upon millions of views yung inyong Wish Bus performance. And if I wasn't mistaken, meron kayong na-revisit na linya doon eh. Instead of 30 centimos ang mababawas, ngayon data na lang ang mababawas.
Data na lang, o nga naman
right. So out of curiosity, meron pa ba kayong ibang kanta na gusto nyong i-revisit and i-rewrite or i-tweak? No disrespect to, you know, yung mga established na mga kanta ninyo, pero if you would wanna rewrite or tweak any of them, meron ba?
Wala.
As is.
Oo.
Everything as
Yun lang
is.
yung masyadong specific.
Oo. At saka hayaan na natin yung mga bagong mga young artists who want to do versions of our songs. Yan, pwede nila i-tweak yung kanang.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And speaking of new artists, also, out of curiosity, kaninong banda or mga soloista kayo really fond of in recent memory?
Ako, Cup of Joe.
Wow.
Yan.
Yeah.
Four of Spades.
Yes, sir.
Yan. Si TJ, ang galing.
Oh,
Galing ni
TJ.
oh.
Montero.
DJ is really something. Oh. Saka yung Over October. Yeah.
Over October, who did, you know, your tribute.
Tuwa ka dun eh.
Actually, when you listen to the radio now, ang dami mga bagong OPM.
Yeah.
I like many songs that I hear. You know, some are nakikita mo parang artist na still on the make, di ba? Natututo pa. Pero okay na, okay na. Pero it's not every song that you write that, you know, it becomes a hit or something. But it's really it's really how you express yourself and dapat makuha ng audience mo yung emotion na gusto mong ipasa sa kanila.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Diba?
sir. So, Tito Jim, Tito Boboy, is it safe to say OPM is in great hands with these artists?
Yes, very much, very much. Tuwan-tuwa kami talaga. Ngayon, and you know, in this age, nabuhayan talaga ang OPM ulit. At masayang-masaya kami lahat. Pati yung mga, I'm sure, pati yung mga, nag-guest nyo raw dito yung OPM...
OPM Friends.
Friends,
Yes,
di ba?
sir.
Oh, I'm
Sila
sure.
Sir Ding Mercado.
Oo, kasama namin nagsimula di ba?
Uh-huh.
No 70s. And I'm sure they're all happy with this new breed that's coming up. New writers, new music. Okay na okay talaga.
Awesome, awesome stuff. Thank you so much. I'm sure
And
the
thank
ears
you.
are clapping. Mhm.
Thank you also to Wish.
Oh.
Kasi dahil sa inyo rin, nagkakaroon ng opportunity madinig sila.
We're smiling from ear to ear. Salamat po sa
talaga.
appreciation in
Oo.
behalf of the entire Wish FM family. We go on and on now with the vibes. Ito naman, tayo ng dalawa. What's the backstory of this one?
This came out a month ago sa Spotify. You know, you look for Apo Hiking Society and title Tayo ng Dalawa. It's the first time we're singing it, so medyo nervous kami dito.
Oh, wow.
Kasi, ang hirap yung sabay, di ba?
Oo. Kasi,
Oh.
well, we recorded this like 6 months ago, 8 months ago.
Uh-huh.
And then we decided, sabi namin, hey, it's time that we give this song to the public. And when you invited us again for Wish, sabi namin, perfect opportunity.
So,
let's
ladies
do
and
it.
gentlemen, listen to it on Spotify, and I hope we don't make a mistake here.
Yes, Apple Hiking Society.
Nakakanervyos.
Out with new material. Now out on major digital streaming platforms. Again, together with their band, we got Tayo ng Dalawa on Wish 107.5.